Looking back from the forward cabin as we look aft, see there's a nice sized salon. The head is to port here. It's got a grated floor with a rug over the top of it, a shower curtain in there. It's a manual head. It's all clean and in nice condition. The upholstery is in really good condition in this boat. It's a nice piece of artwork hanging on the wall that goes with the boat. Cabinets and storage. And we have the galley back here with a double stainless steel sink. Propane 2-burner stove with an oven. Alderbarber refrigerator, microwave. Pretty much everything you see on this boat goes with it. It's very well priced. Very nice Catalina. Nice and roomy. It's got a Webasto furnace, so it's nice and warm inside.